Hello race car fans, this is Jeremy Alt with the Evolution Autocrosser YouTube channel, here with my very dirty Evolution 8 for episode 6 of the 2019 season of Evolution Autocrosser.
Oh my God!
Today I have a couple of preparations to complete in order to be ready for this weekend's autocross with the North Texas Autocross Series. Primarily replacing the dead Odyssey PC680 mini battery in my Evo. This mini battery kit is a great weight savings and I've been running it for a few years now, but it also frees up this space right here to allow for a shortened, more direct intercooler piping. The Odyssey mini battery is held in place by an aftermarket billet custom fabricated holder that I bought some years ago. I'll be replacing it today with a battery of the exact same kind. These run from about $132 online to about $178, depending on where you buy them. Well, let's get down to work and start by taking out the current old battery. I just realized these two battery terminals are not the same size. I'm going to have to switch them around. And now there's only one thing left to do, and that's to see if she'll start. Well, sounding good. So far so good. We've got lights on the dash. And here we are, home sweet home. Taken her to the gas station, filled her up with E85, so she's ready for the long trip there, at the event, and back again. Should have no trouble making a round trip. One last thing though, she is filthy, filthy dirty. Look at that dirt. It's a crying shame. Never seen such a dirty Evo. Well, that's not true. In any case, time to give her a wash. All right, so there we go. The car is clean, mostly clean, approximately clean, clean enough for an autocross. We will be kicking up dust and tire particles and tire smoke and whatever coming up all over the car. So yeah, it's close enough for an autocross. It's fine. It was a rush job, just ran out of time. I also needed to check the tire pressures to make sure they're ready for this weekend's event. Kind of ran out of time. Maybe I'll have some time tomorrow evening the night before the event. Just give them one last check. I don't know. I probably won't. So I'll just take my little mini air pump, get them up to the right pressures at the event, make sure we're good to go on that. And that's it. So that's today's episode. We changed the battery, got things ready for the autocross, took it out for a drive, fueled it up, got it mostly washed, and that's it. So remember, leave your comments. What kind of car care products do you use? Do you wash it yourself? Do you wash and wax? Do you use the ShamWow to dry it? You know what I'm talking about, the ShamWow. Anyway, leave that comment or any other comment. Just say hi, hello, how are you doing? What would you like to see in a future episode? Your video's stupid, that's fine, it's all good. You know, I'm happy just getting a comment. Give me the thumbs up, please, not the thumbs down, thumbs up. Smash that like button if you like this video, if you want to see more, because I'm making more, you're going to get them anyway. Subscribe if you want to see the next episode, and I'll try to step up my game and make it more interesting, maybe a little more humor. I'll work on my stand-up routine and give you a little bit more entertainment, a little bit more bang for your buck. So, until then, see you next time. This is Jeremy Alt signing off, Evolution Autocrosser YouTube channel. Until next time, see you out there on the course. Take care. Bye.